Hey guys, so today you wonder why these are here, not on the regular table, because unboxing manager, and you guessed it, the Skull Sorcerer's Dungeon. It's Summer 172. Goes in 4 minifigures: Vianney, Lloyd, Zane, Cole, the good guys, and the bad guys. Skull Sorcerer, Awaken Warrior, Mert, and Ginkle. Or Gingle. Yeah, okay. If you collect these, the Skull Sorcerer's Dungeon, during the Skull Dungeon, Skull Sorcerer's Dragon, and Today's Mountain Creature, you combine into a board game, and of course it will. I don't have to show you. So let's do the unboxing. Oh wait, yeah, I need to record. All right, we got it unboxed. This comes with bag number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. And excuse me for this. And we got Cole, Zane, Lloyd. Alright. Let me see if I can just. There we go. This is what so now you can see the art of what the thing. Now let's get ready. To build. I'll see you when I finish building. Alright, I finished building. Now let's take it over to the bag, guys. Alright. Next we have Ginkle. Alright. He's a gecko. I think he was found when Cole's mother necklace. Alright. Here, let me just put that on so you can see him. Yep, and he does have a double-sided face. Let me see if I can. Hold on. There we go. There's his double-sided face, the little shock face, and the evil face, I think. Sorry. Alright. Next up, we have the Awakened Warrior. He does have a you guys know he doesn't have a double-sided face because he is a skeleton, and yeah, because the green skull actually awakened them. Next, we have let me put this on. Because I do it with 2 hands again. There we go. Mert. If you take the armor off, it'll be Mert. He's a Munce. He does got the armor from the Hunted. Yeah. Alright. And he's got the axe, okay? Next up we have the Skill Sorcerer, also known as King Evangelist. And he's got the green skull, which you thought it was class, but think again, it's King Evangelist. Yep, that's definitely his face. Right? Like, this one looks just like the Plague Doctor a little bit. So, alright. See you. Alright, so this is the Skull Sorcerer. Now let's move on to the good guys. Alright, next up we have Lloyd, the Green Ninja. And yes, he does got the old face from season 3 to 7. I'll prove it to you. Yep. Oh, hold on. Alright, there we go. This is what Lloyd looks like with his old face. And let me put on his hair. There we go. This is his hair. His armor. This is what it looks like with his old face. I know he's got the hair from Ninjago movie, but I don't have his original hair, so let's see. We got Princess Vianney. Yep. Princess Vianney. And she does have a double-sided face, because look. The double-sided face. Yep. Her big smile and her normal face. So that's Vanya. And next up, we have Zane, and he's got of course, he's got the old face. Let me show it to you. Oh, man, I didn't notice these. Probably because they're new, and yep, this is Zane right there. And yes, he's just the same as season 11, because the ninja haven't not got the suits changed. Okay, next up, his own season, Cole. Yes, you might see his face from other Ninjago seasons that YouTubers created, but this is what Cole's looks like. He's got the arm. Like, okay, let me show you. These things are for the game board. Board game, yeah. And it also comes with a dice. Yep. So, tomorrow, well, it's already today. So, the next morning, I will show you how to do the board game for real life. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications.